Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Today I was thinking to look at some news and share with you things which happen in the crypto space. However, after thinking about that a little bit more, I realized that in fact nothing is happening which can be treated as game-changing factors, and in fact everything is pretty much along the lines which we already discussed. So everything is going according to the plan. So you see the price is in this wedge, falling wedge, which we looked at for a while, and you see the general trend with formations like this is either they play out, or if the combination of the factors in the favor of the opposite party, which like staking against this obvious trend, then it plays out in the opposite way. So like if it would be the growth before the wedge, we would expect to break it upwards, but since we went down for a while, we actually could expect the continuation of the fall. But again, there is no like actual the strategy or the argumentation supporting one way or another. Basically, yeah, you can look at like shorts and longs. If there are some extreme values from them, you can say that okay, we're like about to move one way or another. But in general, again, everything could be a manipulation, and you can't really say that one of the factors is leading, is crucial for the price moving one way or another. So what I would suggest is to like exclude all the factors which may think you believe in some certain strategy or some certain behavior of the price in future. Instead of that, you would set your goals based on the long-term expectations. Like you would expect, for example, the price will go somewhere lower than the current level, maybe for 3,000 or 2,000, whatever, and then within the range of 3 years you'd expect it to go to the new all-time high. So regardless of the price you will buy right now, within 3 years you will have your profit. And again, I would continue to repeat that until everybody would not understand that. I hope that like those who are subscribed to my channel already agree with me. And the main thing here is not to invest. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. So if you have some money which you would need within like a year, for example, just don't buy crypto. Invest only that money which like you can exclude from your bank account and forget about it. Like imagine that you went to casino and put your stake on red or black or zero or whatever, and forget about it. Like you lost that money. And as soon as you will forget about it, you will probably get rewarded eventually with much more probability than you would like try to play short-term games. Again, currently everything is according to plan. I was continuing to say that we need to go lower, that if we are here at this price range, only hope which could be here for like going up from that point is that the major conspiracy around Bitcoin is that huge institutions are buying and accumulating whatever low price they can reach, and as soon as they will do that, and they need some long-term price action at the most the lowest point of the price, lowest level of the price, to do that, especially on the OTC market. So if it is so, then until some news, some events which would ignite the new bull run, or at least the reversal of the trend, this will continue to fall. So yeah, it is only the hope, but without this hope, as I said, we need to go lower. And so far you see we went from this 3,400 to 3,200, and the volume is just ridiculous around here. Moreover, we didn't see the bounce from that, so basically we have very small, this is the green candle around here, but again, we didn't go that far from that level, and we are trading in the very like bottom zone for the whole period of time we had so far. So that was the minimum, 3,200. We just basically touched that minimum and nothing happened. So we didn't have much volume actually. So this is the green bar here. It's not that crazy. First, second, we didn't correct from that very high. Basically, we are still in the same zone, and we don't have anything like in terms of the volatility around here. So it's like market is dead. It looks like market is dead. Well, let's hope for two things: either that it will go as we planned to some lower levels, maybe like 2,700, something like that, and make a reversal from that point, or some other level, but still like a strong reversal signs will be there, or it's just the trick, the trap from the manipulators, and we will eventually see some rise, which would be not so, like people will not be confident that it is the reversal of the trend, because it would be so low volume and not convincing, let's say, like put it like that. But still it may happen. So there are those two hopes. Without that, still I would stand on my position that I will buy, let's say on 3,000 or a bit lower, and will buy any minimum and buy every new local, or sell every new local maximum as soon as I will have the position at this bottom. Similarly we had here. So as we mentioned, let's buy 3,500. So here it was 3,500. Let's sell it for 4,000. We did sell 4,000. I hope that you did. Then now we can buy here again. I hope we did buy, and now we are ready to buy around here. So if we'll buy around here, we probably will be bounce to something like 3,500 or 400, and then we can sell, partially sell there. So actually we will be still in at least even. We'll break even. We will break even. We will fall even lower. Too many evens. Even if the price will go lower, still, because of the fact that we will sell at the local highs, we will be in maybe not at the profit, but in a very small loss. Technically, maybe it's even the profit, depending on the amount you will sell at the local highs. So that's it. I don't want to keep you here for that long. Just stay safe with your trading, use your stops, and hope that you will not go FOMOing in something or fall into the FUD. Safe trading, guys. Again, see you tomorrow with a new update. Goodbye.